How do I check the versions of Python modules? I installed the Python modules construct and statlib using setup tools. How do I check their versions from the command line?
You can try. This is the approach recommended by PEP 396. But that PEP was never accepted and has been deferred. In fact, there appears to be increasing support amongst Python core developers to recommend not including a __version _ attribute, e.g. in remove importlib _metadata.version.
Use pip instead of easy_install. With pip, list all installed packages and their versions via. On most Linux systems, you can pipe this to grep or find strong Windows to find the row for the particular package you're interested in. Linux LXML == 2.3 Windows LXML == 2.3 For an individual module, you can try the __version _ attribute. However, there are modules without it. Traceback, most recent call last file, line 1, in attribute error, module object has no attribute version. Lastly, as the commands in your question are prefixed with sudo, it appears you're installing to the global Python environment. I strongly advise to take a look into Python virtual environment managers, for example virtual enwrapper.
Use pip show to find the version. You can use pip show your _package _name, which gives you all details of package. This also works in Windows. Grep version is used in Linux to filter out the version and show it.
Python is greater than or equal to 3.8. If you're on Python is greater than or equal to 3.8, you can use a module from the built-in library for that. To check a package's version, in this example construct, run. Python is lower than 3.8. Use pkg_resources module distributed with setup tools library. Note that the string that you pass to get _distribution method should correspond to the PyP entry. Side notes. Note that the string that you pass to the get _distribution method should be the package name as registered in PyP, not the module name that you are trying to import. Unfortunately, these aren't always the same, e.g. you do pip install memcached, but import memcake. If you want to apply this solution from the command line, you can do something like
If you want to support this channel, please consider liking and subscribing.